do it yourself, you're going to have to put your finger in it. Your van slide door has come off in your hand and you've fallen back, fallen on your arse, your coccyx, and you've smacked your head on the tarmac. It's a common fault, the mid-slide rail on a Volkswagen T5 transporter. The van handle, what you usually use, beyond that is just a hook, really, of plastic again. It's against metal. After 10 years, it's just snapped. Big hole, tape over it until you get round to the job. You'll have to take off the cardboard panels, the tool, the skinniest little 2-finger prongy lever thing. We'll need to get the studs that hold that cardboard on, otherwise go round it with the back of a pointy knife, lever it out a bit, and then shove the middle of a fork so that you splay the 4 prongs into 2 lots of 2. And keep shoving it in and lever them out. If they're not too brittle, you'll be able to use them again. The bit of the door handle where you'd have to put the key, usually, you have to get this bit out. So you're up inside the door cavity, and you've got a screw to undo. Hexagonal or Torx, or is it just crosshead? Don't go too crazy on it, just do as much as you need. You can feel your way and do it inside and hold it outside as well. Then inside the hole there's a sort of a metal bar-like, lever-like thing that you can lift with a screwdriver, but then the screwdriver gets in the way of you displacing it with the hook of the new handle. Because of the spring on the metal bar that you're putting under tension, the screwdriver springs back quicker than you can push the hook in. So you need something soft, like your own skin, that the hook can be pushed into your skin so that your skin displaces with a little bit of pain, but then it's also around the flush face of the car door that you'll feel a little bit of pain on your finger. As well as the metal, then suddenly the plastic of your fingertip. Then you can't get your finger out, it's caught, but you know it's hooked, so you just have to wiggle and not really scrape a bit of skin off, but if you're not careful you could easily do it slowly, carefully, get your finger out, and you're away really. You've just got to repeat, put the barrel lock, it's not really a barrel lock, but that blank piece back in. Now I've just got the dent to repair and the roller, the mid-roller. I've looked at YouTube videos, apparently the door drops if you're not careful. But as always, couldn't be easier. Not quite a 2 or 3 minute job, not live, but not much longer. To do the door handle anyway. Everything on YouTube couldn't be easier. Have a go, do it yourself.